Hello everyone, and welcome to a collaboration introduction. I am your host, Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on the Budget. And my co-host will be Jill at Jill's Style. And today's episode is entitled The Winter Fireplace Decor Collaboration 2024. Now we have simple rules. And the rules are: number 1, follow proper collaboration protocol. Number 2, decorate your fireplace bookshelf cabinet for winter. Number 3, use the title Winter Fireplace Decor Collaboration 2024. Number 4, mention all host and co-host channels in your video and link them in your description box. Number 5, we would love for you to be a subscriber to our channels. Number 6, use the hashtag Winter Fireplace 2024 in your title and in your description. Number 7, there's always a twist. You must include at least one pine cone in your decor. Number 8, there will be a playlist available to add your video. And number 9, have fun as always. The collaboration date is December 3rd, 2024, and the times are 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time or 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact me on IG at CreativelyMsMe, and I will get back to you at my earliest convenience. See you there.